Oh.
Play that Anvil.
I do someone I never use. The cancer.
Sweeties, let's see if we can get some 1Bs recorded.
Alright.
I would say let's start some trouble.
I'll see that. I just okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. Oh yeah. I sound like shit right now, but it's okay.
I'm not ready.
I'm done with you.
Shush, okay? Salty.
I'm salty.
Huh?
Are you sure? You're the thirsty one.
How am I thirsty? Every time I switch a weapon, guess who had it next?
I mean, you.
Oh, what? What? Huh? I can't hear you. I can't hear past the saltiness.
What?
Eddie,
I'm
no.
done. I fucking shot him.
Really weak when I shot him.
I got one right here, Bull Talk.
Yes.
With Oregon.
Sweeties, if you can't say it fast enough, just spot him.
I know, I can't spot him at all. High up, and he's hiding.
There's one over.
Yeah, that's someone that was behind the
There's the middle.
There's two I took though. I could push in the front of you guys. Goddess behind. Behind Goddess, coming from their pistol.
Oh, there's two.
I got him.
Isn't there another one? There he is, right here. Yeah, he's at the sandbag again.
I see him.
Man down!
One's pushing their spawn. What? I shot you in your fucking face. Good job, mother.
Hey, did you want nade?
Sure.
You're up.
Oh, well, the lag is real.
I'm out of smoke right now.
There's like 3 right now.
Oh, I missed.
Oh, your shot target one. Shot him red.
I can't shoot. Oh,
I'm down, double down.
Get me medical aid!
He's gonna get it for me. Nope.
I got you.
Thank you, Cody.
Where's the torch bow?
Stay down. We're going to the bridge.
Throwing grenade!
Bitch. Hold on, Roar, I'm going on top. He's coming on the bottom.
He's fine.
Going right there.
I got two.
Revive me!
You have your uses, you human. Excellent!
Man down!
You have your uses, you human.
Oh, shit.
Who's the last guy?
First time protection. Alright, it's over.
He's not down yet. I'm not dying. I love this game.
Stand down!
I'm dead. Everyone's back down. They got boom. Oh my god, there's like 5 of them, 4 of them right there.
I was like, what?
Oh,
Wow, bro, you ate that. I saw that. You shot it right at your feet. I'm done with you.
hey.
There's one behind us. Behind us.
Oh, Sleeping Beauty went moving.
Fuck.
Throwing a grenade.
Nice.
2 shot down. Reactive.
What a bitch. Wow!
Somebody got 2 on you, hun.
Got too late. I have 2 more.
Try the big one. Probably they wouldn't get it.
Okay. I just wasted one. I'm gonna keep the last one.
Tank is by himself with 2 people. Take it if you can.
He would just stop coughing.
Try to stay in the open so we can run for you.
Okay. I think there's shit off that bed here. That boom should be spawning 2 more pushing your tank.
He was trying.
What? Oh, I have my lancer. I'm dead.
Hey, Ken, are you doing
I have one left.
Okay, they got them.
Dude! Just be careful, they have
Oh, we're gonna see if we can flank them. They come over here, hon. Okay, what?
Oh, he didn't
He
die?
didn't kill himself?
Oh, there, he died now.
I'm down!
Wow!
I know, he should have been yours.
Throwing grenades.
Oh,
They're both hot.
I'm done.
They're ganging up on me.
2 in their both up, pushing nades. 1 down, another one in.
Got one of them.
You got one pushing out.
There's
Mother.
another
You
one
got
right
one behind
there.
you.
Shots on Ree. I think the other one went.
I'll try to push another
One's on
thing.
top of the bridge.
Let's see them.
I
Let's
don't
go
know where
top.
that name went.
Running.
One's on top of the
He's right.
bridge.
Oh, he should be down.
Is it true?
We're supposed to beat him down.
Humans actually hurt.
He came up on me. I was out.